Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we are unboxing our paper pumpkin. It's called Exploring in Color. It's the May 2023. Just got this in the mail. So let's check it out together, shall we? All right, so let's see here. Our color, oh, it's an in color, and it's called Copper Clay. So pretty. And then what do we have here? We've got, let me get a piece of white paper. We've got Happy Birthday. Life is meant for good friends and great adventures. It doesn't matter where you're going, it's who you have beside you. Cheers to another adventure. Ooh, I love that. We've got a compass, a hiking boot, and a coffee cup. So very cool. We also have some information about the welcome in. That is the paper pumpkin, and it looks like it may be coming next month. Is that what it says? I believe so. And then we have an in color add-on as well. If you wanted to get some of the in colors, you could just scan that one right there to shop. All right, love this blue. It's the boho blue, and I love the tissue paper. And let's get this out of here. And let's go ahead and open it up. Get on in there. All right, we've got some twine. Looks beautiful. And then, if I could get this undone here, we have some dimensionals. If you have paper pumpkin, you will never run out of dimensionals. They send you some almost every month. We've got our envelopes, some little bison. Very pretty. That's in the boho blue. Oh, this is all about the in colors I'm seeing, because this is the Moody Mauve, as you can see there. And we've got this in the Copper Clay. This is beautiful. And then we've got our card bases. We've got the bison again. Looks like we have 3 of those. Either 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3. And then these are our card bases, you guys. They can be used for card bases, or you can cut them, use them for other cards, like use half and half, and just use regular, maybe some basic white as your backdrop and your base. I'm going to put these off to the side so we could look at these last few cards. So you're going to be able to make at least 9 cards. And if you were to cut these and make alternatives, you can make 18 different cards using your own bases. How cool is that? That is just beautiful. All right, let's see what else we have here. We've got some flags. We've got some cutouts of labels. They are not stickers, so they are just the cutouts, and then you can use your own glue or adhesive of any type. We've got paper pumpkin, enjoy the outdoors, explore, and then a boot. You guys, these are stickers. I will be using these probably on my cup and not on a card, because these are really cool. I love that. And then we have some more little labels here. This looks like a fun shape. I'm going to pull this one out for you since they're a little bit harder to see. So we've got that shape. And then this is just a longer one with a flag. And then this is just a straight long rectangle. And then we've got some binoculars and a compass. And remember I told you earlier you won't run out of dimensionals. You also won't run out of glue dots. They give you enough glue dots to make everything. And then especially if you use your own adhesive. And then of course it comes with the instructions to make these beautiful cards. So look at those cards. I love this card. I am a sucker for compasses. So it comes with instructions to make each card, and it comes with a little ruler here so you can measure out your twine. And I just love this. I hope you do too. If you want to purchase your own paper pumpkins, I'll put the link down below in the description. And if you would like to put one together with me, I'll be doing that live. So make sure you join me. Make sure you're on part of my newsletter and subscribed here as well, so you'll know exactly when I do that live. All right, beauties, I hope you have a marvelous Memorial weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.